Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Ms. Ong. Allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pa-cute eh.
Hindi po. Pasensya na rin po.
So let it be a
Hindi ko po
reminder to
sigurado
you,
kung kakilala ko
Miss
siya.
Cassie,
Maybe sa face, but not sa name
The reason
po.
why I ask you about this Rose Nonolin, kasi siya yung asawa ni Wen Xionglin, who is involved with drug trade starting nung year 2003. At kung nandun si Rose Nonolin, according sa Radio Pilipinas, anchored by Michael Rogas and Lawrence Tanhoco, then worried kami na ang pogo mo ay merong mga involvement of drugs. Hindi ako nagsabi nito, ha?
Yes
Ang
po.
nagsabi nito yung Radio Pilipinas.
Opo. Hindi ko po alam yan. And possible hindi ko po talaga siya kilala. Again, hindi ko po yung pogo. Iba po yung pogo sa
Yes, I'm sorry
po.
for that.
And hindi
So,
po ako naging operational ng pogo.
Yes. Okay. Kasi, are you aware of Section 4 of Republic Act 6981? Yung Witness Protection Program?
Pwede kong tanungin yung lawyer ko for that. Hindi ko po alam eh.
Ang Witness Protection Program ay dito under sa Section 4, may kapangyarihan ang committee ito na irekomenda sa ating speaker na ikaw ay mag-under sa Witness Protection Program. Ang Witness Protection Program ay kung makikita ng committee ito na magsasabi ka ng totoo, lalo't higit doon sa mga involved doon sa mga transaction para malesen o mitigate yung crime that will be filed against you.
Pwede kong konsultahin yung abogado ko for that.
Nandiyan ba yung lawyer
para
mo?
lang
Wala ba si Attorney Topacio?
Attorney Joey po.
Hindi ba pwede si Attorney Topacio ang sumagot? Yes. Can you please enter your appearance, your name, and what law firm do you work for? Yeah.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Joselito Lumangaya. I am the law partner of Attorney Ferdy Topacio. Unfortunately, Attorney Topacio is...
You are limited to just give her a legal advice, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
So try to talk to her for 30 seconds and explain the WPP. Okay, sige, Cassie, are you aware of the
Na-explain
WPP?
na po ng
Sige.
lawyer ko po.
Ano sabi?
Ah,
Na-explain na sa'yo?
Yes po,
So
in-explain
anong
niya po
masasabi mo sa WPP? That under Republic Act 6981. So, kasi yung waiver na binigay mo sa amin, tapos withhold mo, so, kung hindi mo na siya itutuloy, at hindi na natin malalaman yung mga sinasabi namin about doon sa mga bank transactions that you have issued, then, basically, mapupunta na talaga sa korte lahat yun. So, you will not have any opportunity anymore to enter into our WPP. With regards to Section 4, with regards to Section 4. Doon naman sa DOJ, they have also the process of entering the WPP. Pero we are giving you the opportunity, the fastest way, no? Here. Kasi in aid of legislation kami. But of course, certain lawyers, no, law firm, siyempre gusto nila mahabang proseso sa korte. Di ba? You know that. Because, may bayad ng lawyers eh. Di ba? Dito, mabilis yung proseso namin. And once you enter the WPP, no, if we see that your revelation entails that amount of being under the program, then mamimitigate yung mga kaso that will be
again, Mr.
filed
Chair.
against you. Sige, go ahead.
Hindi ko po sinasarado yung pag-waive ko po. Again, sinain ko po siya that night nung binigay po ni Comsec po sa akin.
Okay.
Hindi po ako nagdalawang isip. Pero dahil nga po finalan nila ako ng kaso, I just want to, para maging protected din sa sarili ko.
But you have to remember, yung filing ng kaso sa iyo, it's a for preliminary investigation. So ngayon, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Cassie, kasi sa dami-dami naman na pumasok na pera doon sa Whirlwind, saka sa Lucky South. So sino mga nare-remember mo that you issued check na mga kilalang personalidad?
Wala po.
Wala kang
Sa
na-issuehan?
pagkakaalala. Wala po.
Sa pagkakaalala mo. So may nakakalimutan ka pa?
Hindi po. I mean, sa pagkakaalala ko po, wala po.
You're under oath.
Yes po. Kaya nga po, sa pagkakaalala ko po,
Sa
wala po.
pagkakaalala mo.
Opo.
Alam mo, magandang sagot yan eh. Kasi kapag na-corner ka naman, sasabihin mo, ay, naku, nakalimutan ko kasi yun. Di ba?
Hindi po.
Di ba?
Ang alam ko po, wala po.
Wala kang naaalala na politiko, senador, gobernador, mayor, congressman.
Wala po. Wala po.
Wala.
Wala po.
Okay, cash. Yung binigay mong cash.
Saan po?
Sa mga tao sa likod ng Pogo.
Connected sa Pogo po.
Oo, yes.
Again, Mr. Chair,
Wala din.
hindi po ako
Ang nagbibigay.
operational ng Pogo.
Okay, so we're trying to make it sure, no? Kasi, ha? Ayan, sabi ni Chairman Ako, talaga. Alam mo kasi, Kasi,
Kindly wrap up.
we wanted to help you, no? Kasi 58% yung ownership mo ng Whirlwind. And when you issued a transmission of money to PAGCOR amounting to more than $500,000, including the $50,000 cash, no? Medyo questionable na sa amin yun, eh. Kasi siyempre, for a young businesswoman as you are, no? Parang yung paghahawak mo ng ganung malaking pera, medyo mag-iisip kami kung talagang galing sa'yo. Or, sino nagbigay sa'yo ng ganung kalaking pera?
Regarding naman sa PAGCOR payments po, hindi po siya galing sa amin at hindi po siya galing sa Whirlwind. Galing po siya sa Lucky South.
Correct. Lucky South.
Sa renter, yeah.
Yes, Lucky South 99, di ba?
Yes, galing sa mga
So-
okay lang po i-explain ko.
Yes, sige, go ahead.
Oo.
Kasi ito yung inisyong mong
Yes po. That's why nandyan po yung pangalan ko po. Ako po yung authorized po ng Lucky South para magbayad po niyan.
Yes, correct.
Opo.
So ngayon,
Yung pera na po yan, hindi ko po in-issue from my own. Hindi din po siya galing sa corporation po namin.
wait. Inisyo mo tong $200,000 sa account number 340-403-7632. Yan yung sa PAGCOR Dollar Fund. At ito naman ang galing sa iyo, Catherine Ong, Lucky South Outsourcing Incorporated, OGL 23-1102. Tapos, andito yung account number. So, kaninong pera yon?
Yung pera po yun, galing po sa Lucky South.
Na ikaw ang nag-issue.
Na ako po yung nagbayad.
Sige, kaya nga, wire transfer.
Hindi po siya transfer.
Binayad mo ng cash?
Yes po, sa Land Bank po. Ayan po yung resibo po.
Yeah, ikaw nagbayad ng cash sa Land Bank.
Yes po.
So, dinala mo yung pera na $200,000 sa Land Bank para payment doon sa PAGCOR.
Opo.
At sino nagbigay sa iyo ng $200,000?
Si Mr. Cheng po.
Si
Yung assistant ni Mr. Cheng.
Ching.
C-H-E-N-G. Ayun ang alam ko kasi Chinese eh.
Okay. Alright.
Pwede interject lang si
Ay, okay, sige, go ahead, Congressman.
Paduano.
Ano lang po, Miss Cassie. Kasi, kanina pa po narinig ko that you are not involved in Lucky South 999 operation. But inadmit mo po that during your visit in PAGCOR to settle the accounts of Lucky South 999 with Harry Roque, bakit ikaw? Di ba sabi mo kanina, you're not involved in the operation of Lucky South 999? Then, all of a sudden, you represent Lucky South 999 sa PAGCOR na alam mo, pogong pinag-usapan doon, that the sublease agreement, not the sale of the property in which ang claim mo is real property lang kayo. And you've said na hindi ka involved sa Pogo. But now, you're confirming that you represent Lucky South 999 to settle the account of a Pogo licensee, which is Lucky South 999, doon sa PAGCOR. Napaka-inconsistent po.
Hindi po.
Bakit hindi?
Nagbayad lang po ako at nag-present para sa Lucky South 99.
Ayun yung problema.
Pero po, okay lang po magsalita po?
Yeah, tapusin
Pero
mo.
po, hindi po ako, wala po akong kinalaman.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Ms. Ong. Allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pa-cute eh.
Hindi po. Pasensya na rin po.
So let it be a reminder to you, Miss Cassie, na patapusin mo munang magtanong ang ating mga membro bago ka sumagot.
Okay po. Pasensya na po.
Please proceed,
Oh,
Congressman
lastly,
Paduano.
And address the chair, Mr. Chair. Ask her, direct her to address the chair.
And address the chair. Pag sasagot ka, address the chair bago ka sumagot. Okay?
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Let it be put on record that Cassie Ong is lying because inconsistent po yung sinasabi niya kanina. Nakikinig lang po ako, is not representing Lucky South 999, but here comes the payment of accounts. Siya po ang bumayad. Kahit sabihin mo pa po, hindi mo pera from Chen, but still, you represent Lucky South 99 in PAGCOR to settle that account. That's on record. At pag dinay mo, you're lying na.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Please proceed, Congressman Fernandez.
Okay, Cassie, there was an issue between you and Mr. Dennis Cunanan with regards to the $500,000 that supposedly Mr. Harry Roque told us that you gave to Dennis Cunanan. What's the truth about this?
Ang ano po dyan is, ang sabi po ni Dennis Cunanan is, naloko po siya.
Pero nagbigay ka ng $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan? Because Dennis Cunanan was denying under oath that he received $500,000 from you.
I think hindi po.
Nagbigay ka ba o hindi?
Nagbigay po, pero hindi po buong 500 po.
Magkano binigay mo?
I-double check ko po.
Mr. Chairman.
Cassandra, panay ka check ha?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo matatandaan yung ganong kalaking pera, $500,000 or $400,000 na ibinigay mo kay Dennis Cunanan? Personal mo bang binigay yung $500,000? Sabihin na natin $400,000. personal bang binigay kay Dennis Cunanan yung 400,000 or whatever price is that? Whatever amount is that? Personal ba o hindi?
Yes po.
Personal. Binigay mo sa kanya. So, kung binigay mo yung almost $500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan, so ibig sabihin, nagsisinungaling si Dennis Cunanan.
Mr. Chair, hindi po isahan yun.
Yes, no matter what. So, basta nagbigay ka ng almost 500,000 kay Dennis Cunanan. Nagbigay ka.
Hindi ko po alam yung amount, pero nagbigay po, pero hindi isahan po.
Okay, is Dennis Cunanan here?
Yes, yes, he's here. Kindly wrap up your question.
Yes, I'm
Congressman
about to
Fernandez.
be done, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Dennis Cunanan, so you were denying the $500,000, and according to Miss Miss Cassie, Cassandra, nagbigay siya sa'yo ng $500,000 or less than $500,000. Ano ba totoo dito, Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Your Honors, we will stand by our statement that we didn't get that. Whatever the reason for their action, I suppose they just wanted to get a payment plan with PAGCOR, which eventually they were able to settle with PAGCOR. So I suppose, Your Honors, on that aspect of the fund that they were talking about, nothing was missing with the government agency, and I suppose that is something that they have to deal with me personally, and we will act on it based on how it is being presented, Your Honors. Because as far as we are concerned, since that time on and until this point in time, nothing legal have been happened on our part. We were even being asked support to help them with their reapplication for registration. So if that thing happened, I suppose they will not even call back on me and ask for support, particular to their re-registration, reapplication for registration.
Yeah, okay. Were you able to hear what she just said on this committee regarding the $500,000 that you misuse the money of $500,000? Is that correct, Cassie?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po is parang naloko po siya.
Naloko ka daw.
Opo, pero hindi, ang alam ko po is hindi po.
But you are denying that you accepted money from Cassie Ong.
Yes, Your Honor, because we don't deal directly.
So in
Your
other
Honors.
words, Mr. Chairman, somebody is lying between the two. Maliwanag na maliwanag. May nagsisinungaling sa inyong dalawa. Hindi namin malaman kung ikaw o si Cassie.
Your Honors, if I may, when I was working for them as their liaison, particular to their application for registration, we did. We helped them facilitate their fees with PAGCOR, and these were properly documented. That's why they got their license.
Okay, thank you. Cassie, meron ka bang what you call this acknowledgement, receipt that you have given him the staggered amount of $500,000?
Mr. Chair, bali, naging witnesses lang po ko noong mga panahon na yon.
Naging
Pero-
what? Naging what?
Naging witness
Mr.
lang
Chair.
po. Pero,
Point of order.
Yes, sir.
What is the point of order of Congressman Akop?
The resource person has not been recognized by the chair and she is answering.
Yeah.
That's the rule that I stated this morning, Mr. Chair, that before a resource person can answer or say anything, he must ask permission from the chair.
Attorney, can you please advise your client for the last time that she has to first be recognized by the chair, second, address the chair before she replies to any question propounded by the member. Okay, thank you. Last warning.
So again, Cassie, I will repeat my question. Do you have an acknowledgement receipt regarding the your giving the staggered payments to Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
pwede na po.
You ask permission.
Pwede.
Mr. Chair, you
Mr.
always
Chair,
say
pwede
You
na
always
po.
say Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Sige, sagutin mo siya and then you say, Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
sagutin mo siya.
Okay po. Pasensya na po.
Mr. Chair, always
Yes, po.
start with your statement with Mr. Chair. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Chair, bali po, naging witnesses lang po ako noong mga panahon na yon na to prove na parang na ako lang, tawag doon, dumaan po talaga yung money Mr. Dennis Cunanan po.
What do you mean by witnesses? I mean, naging witness ka. Pero ang sabi mo kanina, ibinigay mo staggered yung pera. So, paano ka naging witness sa isang bagay na pagbibigay mo? Sinong... I can't get it. I cannot get it.
Mr. Chair, pwede mo po. Mr. Herbali po, may ibang tao nag-aabot sa kanya. Nandun lang po ako.
Is this true, Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Sino yung nag-abot?
Again, Your Honors, whatever were entrusted to us at that time were properly documented and were properly, because they will not have their license if we haven't done our part and our role. So whatever the transactions that went through with them internally, by the time I was out, wala na po akong alam doon sa mga nangyari.
Mr. Chair, quick manifestation. Mr. Cunanan is not being responsive to the Honorable Dan Fernandez because he was asking for a confirmation if it is true that Cassandra Ong was only witnessing the handing of money to Dennis Cunanan.
No, ma'am.
So it is
Your
not
Honors,
true.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, kung naging witness ka lang, Cassie, nung pagbibigay ng pera kay Dennis Cunanan...
Mr. Chair, it was denied already by Mr. Dennis Cunanan, with all due respect.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, all right.
Mr. Chairman.
Sige.
With the indulgence of Congressman, again, let me put in record that, again, he's lying. Ms. Cassie is lying because a while ago, he said, while Dennis Cunanan is not present during the time, she said that he gives the money to Dennis Cunanan. And now, sinasabi niya na naman na witness lang daw siya. Again, she represents Lucky South 999 paying such amount to Dennis Cunanan. And of course, Dennis Cunanan is now refuting that. But if Cassie Ong will stand on that statement, she's lying. Dalawa na po. Dalawang instant na. Nung una, sabi niya, real estate lang, wala siyang pakialam sa operation ng Lucky South 999. Nagpag-core sila. Then, eto na naman, kay Dennis Cunanan. Sinabi niya kanina, nandito tayo lahat. You check the record. Sabi mo, binigay mo kay Dennis Cunanan yung pera. Now, you're telling us again, bago na naman na you're just a witness. So you're lying. Just for the record, Mr. Chairman. Dalawa na yan.
Thank you.
Pag pangatlo, baka mapilitan ako that I will move to cite you again in contempt. Pinagbigyan ka na po nung nakaraan. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Fernandez,
And as a
please
matter of
wrap
fact,
up.
this will be my last question. And as a matter of fact, Miss Cassandra Ong, no, we have to remind you to be truthful. We've been very, very lenient with you. And we hope that you will try to answer all the questions truthfully. Otherwise, this committee, again, will cite you in contempt. As a matter of fact, the reason why we withdraw you being cited in contempt, because you agreed that you will sign the waiver. And unfortunately, hindi mo itinuloy and you were still thinking about it. And we might think also that we will be citing you in contempt if ever that you continue to lie. We hope, Ms. Cassandra Ong, you will come to your own senses and try to help this Quadcom. Because, unfortunately, parang napapansin namin na nagiging complacent ka with the treatment that we are giving to you. Don't. Please. Because the reason why we tried to be lenient, because you are so young, and we don't want you to be put in jail with that age. And accordingly, kapag nag-file na yung mga victims ng human trafficking, we are telling you, walang bail yan. Right away, ikukulong ka. So, Mr. Chair, I want to give to Ms. Cassandra Leong this Republic Act number 6981 para for her to contemplate while she's in our custody. Kasi, basahin mo mabuti ito. We are helping you. Huwag kang maniwala sa mga lawyer mo. Daily lamang ang gusto ng mga yan. Hindi, I mean, let's face it. They want to prolong your cases. Why? Of course. We know that. Kaya si Atty. Topacio, alam mo yan si Atty. Topacio, ayun, ang daming banat kay Congressman Abante. Ang daming banat kay Jinky Luistro. Ang daming banat sa akin lingkod. So, it's our time to get even. No? Alam mo, pahabain niya ang kaso para at least makuha lahat ng pera mo.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congressman Keith Flores. You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ms. Casiong, I just want to be clarified on certain matters, specifically about Whirlwind and Lucky South 99. You testified earlier that you are 50% owner of Whirlwind Corporation. Tama po ba?
58 po, Mr. Chair.
58%. Okay, ang 58% na to, how much po ang binigay nyo or binayad nyo for the shares of stock representing 58% of Whirlwind Corporation?
Mr. Chair, pwedeng hindi ko po sagutin yan.
At bakit naman po?
For privacy lang po.
Well, you know, you have to understand that Whirlwind Corporation is involved in a very serious investigation with regards to the Pogo incident. Tama po ba, di ba? And that's why we want to find out also, since you are the majority stockholder, how much you put into that corporation. And that's why I think the question is also important for you to answer.
Pasensya na po. I invoke. Pasensya na po, Mr. Chair.
Sige, sige po. I'll let it go for the meantime. No? Pabalikan ko yan. Now, ang Whirlwind naman po ang may-ari ng mga buildings in that Pogo Hub. Tama?
Yes po, yung
Kayo po ang
buildings
nagpagawa, no? Kasi?
Kami
Ang
po.
Whirlwind ang nagpa-construct
Whirlwind
ng
po, opo.
structures na yun. Now, in the construction of these buildings, na numbering about 45 buildings, no? How much ang nagastos ng Whirlwind Corporation?
We'll double check it po,